Life is full of changes, but we have always attached great importance to preserving one thing: human values. Our aim from the start was to manufacture products for craftspersons, and since 1928, we have established strong brands and products for this purpose. During this time, both our company and product range have continuously evolved. We have retained our goals and added new ones. They preserve the link with our tradition while paving the way for the future. Around 1,000 pallets leave our warehouses day in, day out. We supply wholesalers and retailers inside and outside Germany. What is it that sets us apart? Our employees. We take pride in our quality. It is upheld by every single employee, so we can rightly say, that was done by us. Products for the world. We guarantee supply security for our customers. How do we manage that? Our 30,000 pallet capacity warehouse remains filled, even in times of crisis. We give top priority to our quality assurance, across the board, in all areas of development, production, and application. Wallpapering, bonding, filling, preparation, and special cleaning. Our comprehensive range embraces over 3,000 products. Our technical support team offers training on best practice application and decorative effect techniques. This includes advice on how best to use our products. We listen and talk to our customers on an equal footing. Indeed, listening and understanding are the foundation of our corporate culture. Today, we export worldwide to over 50 countries. PUFAS, for products made in Germany, combining top quality, know-how, and a full service package. We are always there to help you out. That much we can promise.